This is a Monacor EEM-1200. My guess is as good as yours as to what the EEM stands for. I'm going to go with electronic echo machine. Let me know in the comments if you know what it really stands for, or if you got a better guess. Monacor is a German company founded in the 1960s. They started off by importing components from Asia to make units for sale in Europe. That was something quite novel at the time. Monacor make a lot of PA equipment, and they also founded the hi-fi brand Monarch in a collaboration with Japanese manufacturers. This particular unit is from the 1980s, and it's an analog delay using bucket Brigade device chips, or BBD. These units are a good alternative to tape delays as they're cheaper and easier to maintain, and they can still produce warm, crusty delay effects, much like a tape delay. The first test is the self-oscillation test. With no input connected, we'll turn up the feedback to maximum and see what sound the unit produces on its own. Okay, now let's plug in an input and see how that sounds.
This is reggae music. Welcome to the sound. Gonna push this further. Building from the ground. Reggae, 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 reggae. Reggae music. This is reggae music. Welcome to the sound. Gonna push this further. Building from the ground.
you want to hear more audio effects units, then check out one of the other videos on the channel. And be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss a new video.
Listen up, world. Here it is, coming at you, low-tech style.